In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram Music not showing all songs. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you can do this on iPhone, Android, Samsung, whatever you're on. It's a very simple fix. But let's say I go to Instagram right now and I want to go ahead and post something. So I just press this plus icon and let me just post a random thing. Let's say I want to post a story, for example. If I go to audio and I'm going to see the music right now, but let's say I'm not seeing as much music as I used to or something like that. It's actually very simple to go ahead and fix this. So I'm going to X out of this right now. And then what I want to go ahead and do is go to my profile icon on the bottom right. Going to see those three little lines, and then I want to scroll down until I find account type and tools like so, and I want to make sure that I am on a personal account. If you're on a professional account, you're going to be limited on what you can use because it's going to be counted as like monetized content. So if you're on a business account or a creator account, anything like that, you're going to see a limited amount of music. But if you're on a personal account, you're going to basically see everything. So what you want to do is if you're on a professional account, switch to a personal account, and you'll know you're on personal if you're allowed to go private. And it's as simple as that. Now, whenever you go ahead and try and post something, you're going to have all the music selection available. But if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.